How to fix broken taskbar icons in Windows 7. I have a program pinned to the taskbar. After I upgraded the program, I think, the icon broke. What I get now is what you see below, that ugly default application icon thing. If I unpin it, I get the correct icon. If I then right-click on it, the icon breaks again. If I pin it again, still the broken icon. Unpin again and back to good icon. Very annoying. How can I fix this?
Based on it-17291's answer, here is a slightly faster procedure, no reboot, that worked for me. Open Windows Explorer, go to %user profile %\updata\local, delete icon cache.db. This file is hidden, so if you don't see it, you will need to adjust your Windows Explorer settings to show hidden files. Open Task Manager, go to Processes tab, highlight explorer.exe, and click End Process. Your desktop will disappear. Still in Task Manager, select File in GT, New Task, Run, type explorer.exe, and click OK. Your desktop should reappear, with the previously missing icons.
Rebuild the icon cache. Source: How to rebuild the icon cache in Windows, this URL. To manually rebuild the icon cache using the command prompt. Close and save anything that you are working on. This command will kill Explorer and restart the computer when completed. Open a command prompt in Windows 7 or Windows 8. In the command prompt, copy and paste each command line below exactly as is one at a time and press Enter after each command. Warning: the last command will restart the computer, so be sure to close and save anything that you are working on first. e4unit.exe clear icon cache. taskil/imexplorer.exe/f. del %localappdata %icon cache.db/a. shutdown/r/f/too. The icon cache.db file has now been rebuilt. If the icons are still not displaying properly, then download and merge the echo option in this tutorial for Windows 7 or Windows 8 to restore the default associations of echo icon files.
You could have unpinned the link in the taskbar and again pinned the application to the taskbar. The icon would have updated itself. The reason why this happened was icons for applications installed by Windows NC installers are present with the installer itself. Because of this, when you upgrade the program, the link to the icon breaks. The only way to fix this is either recreate the shortcut /pinned link or update the icon for the shortcut itself by right-click Properties Change Icon. For example, this is a link to the icon for Nokia PC Suite, %systemroot %installer /92D1 CBC7 C72 4 BFC 6 C131 F3 FA6 A7 /artproducticon.exe. Note that the icon resides with the installer and not linked to the icon embedded inside the executable.
The answer from -17291 works, but rebooting is not necessary. Just enter and run. From command prompt to restart Explorer and AMP, reload taskbar. For numerous reasons, like not having memorized this stuff, I prefer to create a batch file.